March 17, 1959, in the darkness and frozen air of the night, I slipped out of the main gate of the Norbalinka Palace disguised and wearing a chuba. The immediate trigger was the tension that had been building up in the Tibet, exploding into a people's uprising on March 10, 1959.
A few days after my departure, China's People's Liberation Army bombarded the city.
In this way, the tragic tale of my homeland and people over the second half of the 20th century and into the 21st unfolded. People and their freedom to live their lives according to their own wishes and their culture.
The issue of Tibet remains unresolved, while my homeland is still in the grip of repressive communist Chinese rule. Tibetans inside Tibet continue to be deprived of their dignity. This book is, primarily, an account of more than 7 decades of my dealing with successive leaders of communist China on behalf of Tibet and its people. It is also an appeal to the conscience of the Chinese people, many of whom share with us a spiritual heritage in Mahayana Buddhism, which I refer to as the Sanskrit tradition,
as well as the broader international community, to care for the plight of the Tibetan people. Ours is an existential crisis, the very survival of